F-Series, high-efficiency double-column machining center. High structural rigidity. High spindle cutting torque. High geometric precision. Suitable for machining large precision parts, molds and complex structures. Big space and weight loading for large workpieces. XY axis adopts 3-roller type linear guideways, and high torque servo motors with high precision transmission mechanism. Achieves micrometer level positioning accuracy in the X-axis. Y-axis beam structure greatly improves the cutting rigidity. The Z-axis is equipped with high rigidity hard rail ram, which can be installed with 4 sets of linear guideways, or high geometric accuracy type with square ram and double screw feeding drive. With micrometer level positioning accuracy for large-scale machining, it provides excellent straightness of motion. Various types of auto head bracket and auto swiveling arm type head bracket on operation side. Multi-head auto bracket can achieve automatic head change. Auto vertical and vertical horizontal type tool change. Provide up to 120 tool positions. Tool length measurement on tool magazine side provides fast automatic tool measurement. Suitable for all kinds of complex structures, more than 50 types of add-on heads are available. AC 2-axis 90-degree angular auto rotate head. Various types of add-on heads realizing intelligent machining applications through a single command. Excellent heavy-duty cutting, large diameter drilling and tapping capabilities. Standard AC 90-degree angular head provides high rigidity and for minimum workpiece. Large diameter shaft, strong type AC 90-degree angular head provides powerful horizontal milling capability and precision large hole boring. AC 90-degree extension head. AC 2-axis head. AC extension head can process flat sheet deep grooves machining. Extended 90-degree head in various sizes for horizontal machining of deep grooves. IAC indexing attachment head. F-Series models are widely used for fully automatic machining of large parts with high geometric accuracy. F-Series, high-efficiency double-column machining center.